name is Kelsey, and I am a service learner with CSUMB College Corps working with Monterey County Free Libraries, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make s'more brownies. So to start off, what you're going to need is any size baking sheet, graham crackers, a box of brownie mix, marshmallow puff, or you can use regular marshmallows, and then just whatever else you need for the brownie mix. So I also have vegetable oil and eggs, and then just butter or cooking spray to grease your pan. To start, you're gonna want to grease your pan, so I'm just gonna use a cooking spray. And then you're gonna place a layer of the graham crackers all over the bottom of the pan. Just like that. Next, you're gonna want to add your brownie mix to a bowl and then just follow the directions that it needs to make the brownie mix how you need it. Once you have it all smoothly mixed together just like this, you're going to grab your pan with the graham crackers and you're just going to pour the whole thing over the top of it and try to make sure that's like a nice even layer. Once you're all done with that, you can just use a spoon just to smooth it out and make sure that it's a nice even layer all the way across and that the graham crackers are all the way covered. And then we're gonna put it into the oven for however long your box brownie instructions say. So I have the oven heated to 350 and I'm gonna put it in there for like about 25 minutes. And you're gonna wanna take it out 5 minutes before so that we can add the marshmallows on top. So I'm gonna put it for 25 minutes into the oven. Now, once your brownies are almost done and just have a couple more minutes left to cook, you can take them out of the oven and then we're just gonna take our marshmallow fluff or your marshmallows, whatever you chose, and you can just put a layer over the top. So I'm just gonna scoop a little bit of this out. So now I have a nice thin layer over the top of the marshmallow. So I'm gonna throw it back in the oven for about 4 to 5 more minutes. Or just until the top of the marshmallows are golden brown. Once your marshmallows are all golden brown, you can take it out of the oven and let it cool for about 20 minutes. So this is what it turned out like. And then you can just cut them into slices and see the different layers of graham cracker, brownie, and marshmallow.